Okay, so
last though.
All right. Thank you. Lobster tails.
Bless me with a big bankroll.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Is this even a vlog right now? We're giving no. Okay, so we just cut.
Goodness. You should do a prank on the family like your water broke. I am only... Because I just feel like that brown one highlight should just be like real soft. Ooh. Hey girl. Thank you.
This is the charcoal mud playroom.
Whoa, it made me sneeze. Is that a good sign or a bad sign?
Detoxing.
Oh yeah, this is for detox. Ah!
I hate these clients. Want to make you look like the Jamaican girl at Hell's Kitchen.
Excuse me. Hey, Yana.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my allergy. As soon as I get off this live, y'all, I'm gonna go take my allergy medicine. It's in the bathroom in the KME. I'm supposed to be coming to Houston, Tiffany, but I may not. I of course will keep you guys updated because I forgot the grand opening is tomorrow. So I mean, I need to be at the shop because I know we're gonna get people. So I need to be at the shop. Yeah, all right, y'all. Looking so good. I think I'm gonna go ahead. Woo! Y'all. God bless me. I think I'm gonna add this glitter. Ooh. The travel fee for me to go to Memphis is $200. I need to go stop and get some medicine.
Bless you.
Thank you. Yeah, he working, but I still want to see him. So, y'all, I love Ellen DeGeneres. I love Ellen. I don't know if y'all like Ellen. I love Ellen. I think she's bomb AF.
Man, I haven't did one of those in a minute.